Welcome to my channel, and before we start, please click subscribe or you can donate to support us. In this video, when I want to print on the Epson L1300 printer, there is an error like this. A printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life. Please contact Epson Support. When I look at the printer look like this. This is the solution to overcome problems such as not being able to print. Click the Reset Epson L1300 folder. Then right-click and run as administrator. Then click the particular adjustment mode. Then click Worst Ink Pad Counter. Check the main pad counter. Then click Initialize. Click OK. Click OK. Click Finish, Previews, and finally click Quit. Now the leg on the printer looks normal. And when trying to print, the printer has been successful and there are no more errors like a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please click subscribe or you can also donate to support us.